This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mazda CX-5 key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for the next step as it helps you access the battery compartment. Keep it handy as we'll use it to gently pry open the fob. Now, look for a small slot located near where you just removed the emergency key. Insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot. Gently twist or pry the key to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to create a small opening. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. It's usually a CR2032 type. Gently pry out the old battery, perhaps using a small flathead screwdriver or your fingernail. Make sure to note its orientation. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive or plus side facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click. Ensure all edges are flush. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.